Is it possible to monitor operational status in real time?
Are your automated facilities running at peak efficiency? Now, you can track your facility's performance in real time, anytime, anywhere.
You can check the operational status instantly?
PxServer Equipment Monitoring System. Our system collects real-time operational data from active MCT equipment. Data is aggregated through TCP/IP networks. Operational details are displayed on monitoring system PCs. Alert notifications are sent directly to smartphones via KakaoTalk. Automated equipment is intelligently managed with precision. Our 24-hour monitoring system ensures accurate equipment management. When equipment issues arise, alerts are instantly dispatched to smartphones, enabling swift responses and their immediate resolution. The system's normalized operations provide benefits such as optimal equipment maintenance, enhanced operation rates, reduced maintenance costs, and lower defect rates. PxServer stands as a unique solution. Without the need for replacing existing equipment, we've implemented the PxServer system, developed with the specialized expertise of NixNBlue. Through analysis of equipment status, operational efficiency, and defect rates, we provide 24-hour equipment monitoring via PC and smartphone interfaces. This revolutionary system transforms any PxServer-equipped PC into a centralized control hub for equipment management. The PxServer equipment monitoring system features the following key functions: intelligent functionality across multiple domains, real-time monitoring of equipment status and operations, comprehensive performance analysis, including reports on defect and operational rates, instant SMS notifications for designated personnel during alerts, remote equipment control and management, tool usage tracking and replacement scheduling to ensure processing quality, automatic KPI analysis and on-screen displays, implement customized smart factory solutions. With over 3,000 successful implementations in 13 years, PxServer delivers measurable improvements. Positive feedback includes reduced defect rates, automated equipment data collection, and decreased maintenance costs. PxServer implementation has led to reduced defect rates, maintenance costs, and production costs, while improving utilization rates and operational efficiency. At NixNBlue, we leverage automation to create efficient and happier workplaces through cutting-edge technology.